Welcome to our tutorial on how to open a new window in Chrome on your PC. Opening a new window allows you to separate your browsing sessions and work on multiple tasks simultaneously. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by double-clicking on its icon. Ensure that Chrome is up to date for the best browsing experience. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser window, click on the More icon. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 3. Select New Window from the drop-down menu. By clicking on New Window, a fresh Chrome window will open, separate from your existing one. This allows you to work with different websites and content simultaneously. And there you have it. You don't know how to open a new window in Chrome on your PC. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can enhance your productivity and browsing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Happy browsing!